Hello guys, uh, how are you? My name is Dennis and welcome to my first can say tech tutorial, and today we're gonna look at the Mac terminal because when you're doing crazy stuff like networking and maybe you need to move your files around your folders, maybe in the desktop through your drive. So let us just first understand the basics of Mac terminal. So what you want to do when you want to open your Mac terminal, we're going to look at a very simple technique here. You can just search and open your terminal. Like you can see, this is my terminal here. I'm using the ZSH terminal. It's pretty good for developers. Now let's say you want to know where you are in a directory. What you need to do is just print pwd, which actually stands for print working directory, and you can see that is my current directory. And if maybe you want to open that particular directory, you're gonna just open that and then write whatever is there as you can follow it, and then press enter. So what you're gonna realize, it has already opened another, sorry about that, it has already opened here. It has already opened. If you can look at my, yeah, if you can look at my right here, yeah, you can see it has already opened what is in actually my directory here right now. And then maybe you want to look at a list of what is in your, if you can see your current directory, you can actually use the ls, just type ls, and you can be able to see. You see what we have here on our left hand side is basically the folders that are here on our right hand side. So let's say you want to look at maybe a folder that is named as can say even let me see, documents, or let's look at pub, no, let's look at desktop. Let's look at desktop. When you want to go to a particular directory, you just say let the cd, and then there's not something particularly important here you need to understand. When I'm typing desktop, I can actually use the tab command to autocomplete the name of that particular directory and then hit enter. Now if you want to make sure you are on this desktop directory, you can just write the same command that I said that stands for print working directory, and you can see you have what is there. You can quickly decide to open that directory, or you can decide to view what is in it using the ls command. And here is where you can see these are actually what is in my directory. Now if you quickly close this one, and let's try to open the desktop directory and actually see. You remember, when you want to open a directory, you can just type the path to that directory. Yeah, actually type the path to the directory and confirm. Sorry about that. Yeah, confirm what is there. So if you can see, with that command I've actually opened the directory, and basically this is what I have in that directory. So if I minimize it, sorry, let me put it in a list. Yeah, this can be okay for today, which can help us illustrate. Yeah, I just have to put it in my right hand side here. So if you can look at what I have here, is the same as what I actually have here in my directory. Yeah, and as you continue, you can actually open the specific directory you want. Like I just want to open scripts right quick. Just use the same command as cd scripts. Remember I said when you start typing, you can autocomplete by pressing the tab, and you can actually view what is inside the scripts. And if we actually wanted to understand what's actually in that folder, you can also try to open it. Now, when you look at what you have done, you see you've quite actually done some work. Now you want to clear that screen. You can just use the word clear. Look, everything is done. Simple as that. Thank you guys. I've been your host, Dennis. Until next time. Bye-bye.